it's Miss Jocelyn from the Lyon Township Public Library with a story time. Are you ready for Open Shut Them? Stretch out your fingers. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Put them in your lap, lap, lap. Creep them, creep them, creep them, creep them. Right up to your chin. Open up your little mouth, but do not let them in. Good job. So today I have Farm Life by Elizabeth Spurr, illustrated by Steve Björkman. This book was published by Holiday House. Red barn, what are you keeping? One rumbling tractor, ready for reaping. One baler, one sower. One thresher, one mower. This is the farm life, but only a part. Blue barn, what are you hiding? Two sturdy stallions, saddled for riding. Stallions is another word for horse. Three fillies neighing, four hens a-laying. This is the farm life, but only a part. So stallions are boy horses, and fillies are girl horses. And hens, of course, are girl chickens, right? Green barn, what's in your loft? 5 bales of hay with straw piled up soft. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bales of hay. 6 cribs of new corn. 6 kittens newborn. This is the farm life, but only a part. Brown barn, what do you hold? 7 small heifers escaping the cold. Heifers is another word for cows. 8 ewes a feeding, 8 lambs a bleating. This is the farm life, but only a part. So ewes is another word for mama sheep. Gray barn, what do you house? 9 straw-filled stalls with 9 sleepy sows. Sows are mama pigs. 10 piglets suckling, Farmer Dan chuckling. This is the farm life, but only a part. White house, open your doors. Show bright, braided rugs on shiny oak floors. Fresh hot tea steeping, down quilts for sleeping. A crackling wood stove and a family to love. This is the farm life, the whole and the heart. And there's a glossary. Glossary means a list of some of the words that we used in the book that we might not be familiar with. Cool. All right. Let's see. So since we read a farm story, shall we sing Old Macdonald? Okay. Old Macdonald had a farm. Nope, that's bingo.
Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Oh, okay.
Isn't it?
Yes.
Okay.
Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm there was a chicken, E-I-E-I-O. With a buck buck here and a buck buck there. Here a buck, there a buck, everywhere a buck buck. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. What other verses can you sing at home? All right. See you next time.